Hi everybody, this is Susie and Rafa from Cheeky Seats.
Hello.
Today we're going to show you how to put on one of our Honda Grom seat covers. It's a beautiful diamond wave pattern, hand stitched. Has a little sticker in the front to let you know which way is up, which way is the front. We start at the back. Rafa puts that on around the back edge, gets that positioned, pulls the cover over the front. This is a 2017 to 2021 Grom seat. The installation is the same on all of them, but this is the 17 to 21. Pulls the sides around, gets those positioned nicely. There is a line around the inside edge of the seat cover that you should line up with the edge of your seat, help you with placement. Adjust the pull stop. You can staple the cover on if you wish, you don't have to. Bit of smoothing, bit of massaging. Get that guy looking good, positioned. And there you have it, a beautiful diamond wave seat cover, green stitching and satin black piping. Thank you.